This is how you can add MT5 balance when you are using a demo. So what you need to do first, check whether you are on a real account or a demo. So here is where you can just check it. So I can just change whether I want to. So to add a balance in a demo account, you first need to log into your account on Chrome. Then after logging into your account, just tap on the Traders Hub. You will be able to land here and then scroll just down. You will find the MT5 options here. Check the ones that you have created, or you can create one if you need to. But let's say that you are trading on Deriv MT5 and then you wanted to add the balance. Here you can see my balance is this one. So let's say that I have traded and finished all this balance. So if I want to add a new balance, I'll just come back to Chrome where the account it is. You see this is the account. So I just come to top up and then I can just top up. So make sure that you have finished all the current balance so that you will be able to top up. If you have not yet finished, you just need to make losing trade so that you will be able to top up again to 10,000 USD. So that is how you can do it, and I have a link in the description. If you don't have an account, you can create right now and get a free offer there. Thanks for watching.